Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you and tell you how I made this slime. I forgot to record it, and yeah, I thought it was recording. It wasn't. So yeah, so this is the slime I made. It's a little bit purple with some glitter in it. So all I did was I got a bowl, I got clear glue, and then I got shaving cream, and then I mixed that. And then I added some laundry detergent. I used Gain, the green one, Gain, and it made it to where it was like this. And then I started to mix it again, and then I took it out and I started mixing it with my hands. And when I was done, I mixed in a little bit glitter. I didn't put any food coloring in. The shaving cream, which was pink, and the Gain, which was blue, made this really pretty purple color. So yeah, I thought I would just show y'all and see how cool it is. So let's get into some cool stuff. No, it broke. But yeah, this was my slime. Um, since I made it a few days ago, I decided to make this video because I went to go check on it and edit my videos today, a few of them. And yeah, I made it 2 days ago or one day ago. I can't remember. Um, but that's when I made this slime. That's why it's not as good and stuff. See, it breaks easily. But when it was first made, it was really stretchy and stuff. And my hands are covered in glitter. So, bye. And don't forget the question of the day is, if you were an animal, what animal would you be? Peace.